Oh my goodness. I'm really excited. Got this super mod. So actually watching another YouTube channel and to a T explain my problem where my rear view mirror wiggles and falls off sometimes. And so this is the unboxing, or rather the unbagging of the fix. Thank you, YouTube guy. I'll look you up and put a link or something. Definitely, I'll look you up in my history. Oh my gosh. I mean, because this way, I was able to replace a multi-dollar mirror with a $5.67 part that admittedly you can get for under $2 online, but after shipping it's not worth it. So I got it from my local Honda dealer. Wait, they're not sponsoring me, so I don't know why. Anyway, what we got here? It's got a yellow label on it. It's got a lot of fancy, not really fancy letters, but fancy like because they don't make words. There's a lot of some, you know, numbers and then letters and dashes and stuff. I mean, it's intimidating if not fancy. Bag smells totally normal. All right, here we go. Oh, look at it. Oh, I hope I didn't break it. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's totally solid. So look at that. And like, you know, you put it in there and turn it with that, right? Because then, but then later, turn it with that, and then it's totally screwed. Well, we'll see if it works, because I got a cheap ass, I mean, we can bleep that out, yeah, cheap, $14 convex, big, again, same word, mirror, so I can be strapped into my thing with my Hans device and be like, oh, I can't stretch that far. Wait, I got a mirror now. That's the thing we're going for, is not crashing into expensive cars at the track, because, let's admit it, folks. I mean, it's not to be out of it. We're going on the cheap. I mean, my buddy that sold me my brake pads and stuff that had one of these supercharged. Just abandoned it and got a GT4. So, I guess. Ow. It's okay. That's weird. Check this out. Put a rubber. I didn't put it. Just somehow a rubber band appeared on my. Oh, this looks kind of. Okay, I'm gonna stop. This is part of a charging cord holder thing, and it caught the hair on my arm. That's all I want to say. I'm totally done with that entire thread. But speaking of threading, that's the problem with these, right? They get stripped, and so we're gonna see if I can screw this in, clip on a big ass cheap mirror, and not have it fall in my lap, and be able to see places, not crash into the car, not crash in the car. Yeah, not crash in the car. And then we'll see how it goes. Can't wait to tell you. Very exciting day. I want to tell you more about it. Hold up the line at the gas station. Oh, check out my mirror. Looks good, huh? You look good. Very sexy. You're my forever.